Gates open, that up and racing. Kidneys Magic draws for your lead. Running by the rail, Nurture Nature in between runners, Queen Rampire. Then moving up is looking at Lucky. Next in line, Kitek Willie. While his special song is in behind them. Not too much gap from each other. It's Kidneys Magic in command. Moving a party outside is Queen Rampire to take the lead by a neck. Then racing in third is Nurture Nature. Kitek Willie is racing in fourth as they rounded the 600. Queen Rampire this time by about 2 lengths. Kidneys Magic running in second. Nurture Nature is sorry outside. Then by the release, Kitek Willie as they race for home. Queen Rampire still the leader, running in second. Kidneys Magic, Kitek Willie now racing in third, and down the stretch they come. Kidneys Magic, Kitek Willie takes command from the outside. Nurture Nature, and down the stretch they come. Kitek Willie, Nurture Nature now in second. Kidneys Magic, Queen Rampire, and finally Kitek Willie. Nurture Nature, then comes Kidneys Magic, Queen Rampire, special song, Looking at Lucky.
Okay.